Thirikari no ithiete na mbere na kuhinyiriria bata wa kothi cia moko kuri bururi kuona ndukinyaniria kioneki gia Vision 2030 gutari na andu mari na ugi wa mathomo maya.
There is nothing else we are going to break down and talk about. Let us talk about this country going to another level of development in all sectors, in all areas. For us to be able to live up to Vision 2030, we need a skilled manpower.
Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria githomo kia arutani aya thukuru-ini ici, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya TVET Esther Moria augite undu uyu niguo utumite thirikari yambiririe mubango wa kuhe andu aria mari na ugi certificate iria ingimahotithia kwandikwo.
We have been moving but we want to fast track. That is why we are training practitioners so that we can fast track, because the people out there with skills and are not certified are many.
Moria oho agitatira mubango wa gutara mbeu njithi nja wa bururi akiuga githomo giki nikio cabi cia mieke ino.
The 20 companies signed to come and establish industries in Kenya. 20 of them. What are we therefore saying? That by the time these industries finish establishing in Kenya, and they are coming to establish in Kenya, we want to be able to tell these industries that we have got all these skills that are going to babysit your industry.
Na kuo kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga makiria ma mbeu njithi 110,000 ni matanyitwo kuguneka na mbeca iria ikumateithiriria kwambiriria mawira. Ũũ ni kuringana na murugamiri wa tabarĩra ya Nyota rungu rwa ruhonge rwa kuramata biacara nini karani njeru, kiuga namba nene ya andu ethi ni mathomeire kothi cia moko indi matingihota kwiyandika mawira kumana na wagi wa mbeca.
Project is looking at benefiting up to 110,000 on the business support program. That is a national-wide number.
Andu ethi magitugiria uteithio uyu makiuga ni mekuhota gwikuria muturire-ini.
No my opportunity ya kuembesa ici ni getho na mabote kuingura biashara na mabote kwitheremithia.
Hizi pesa zenye tunapatiwa, we can start self employment. Mtu anaweza anza ka business kadogo kenye kanaweza build ajiweze kimaisha.
Hadu ni Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Nyeri, Jeta Theuri wa Bogo.